Right, so I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on your Google Pixel 10. Now, the first thing you need to do is just turn off your phone. So I'm going to turn mine off right now. And with the phone off, you want to do a button combo. So that's going to be power and volume down. So press and hold power and volume down together. And that's going to boot into the fast boot mode. And from the fast boot mode, you're going to scroll using the volume rocker. So volume down to scroll down and volume up to scroll up. Now you can see what you're scrolling at the top there. So currently we are on restart bootloader. We have recovery mode, rescue mode, all that. So you want to make sure recovery mode is what's highlighted there. And then select that using the side button. And that's going to show the Android logo. Now, once you see the Android logo, you want to hold the power button and then press volume up. So press power button and press volume up. And that's going to put you in recovery mode. Now, it's from this recovery mode where you can either reboot the phone. Once again, you're scrolling with the volume rockers. You can go into Fastboot, reboot bootloader. You can apply update from ADB. You can wipe data. You can actually hard reset from here. You can do all this stuff from here, including wiping the cache partition. So that is basically how to do that. And of course, to exit out of here, just go to reboot system now and select that. All right. Thanks for watching and good luck.